Heyo, boys and girls. I'm Josh, and I love to teach about art, creativity, and philosophy. And holy I'm burned out. But that means it's time to double down, not stop. But I need to double down on the best stuff and do it smarter. And then share some advice for some of the other creators out there. So, Winston Churchill, when asked about how he achieved so much success in his life, responded with, and I quote, conservation of energy. Never stand up when you can sit down, and never sit down when you can lie down. And so that's what I'm trying to do a lot more of lately. You may have noticed that I always look tired in my videos. Want to know why? Because I film my lectures after I get the kids in bed. And usually that's after a really long day of tattooing. I just wasn't using my energy very wisely. And especially over the past week, I overbooked myself for tattoos twice, and I really paid the price for it. But that means I didn't get to make many things for you, and that makes me a sad panda. Because this project, it's my calling. It's calling me to follow my bliss. Spreading ideas about art, creativity, and philosophy is, as Joseph Campbell calls it, my hero's journey. So I'm trying something a little bit different on the back end of things. I have an entire outline for drawing foundations already complete, and the script is pretty well done for the next few lessons. So my amazing wife and I have been coming up with a plan that lets me get stuff done when I'm at my best, but I need to do it in chunks. So I'll be doing my filming and like for the lectures and demos one day this week like a crazy person, and I'm not going to overbook myself for tattoos again, ever, because that really killed my back. Instead of getting distracted by everything going on around me, either at home or at the tattoo shop, I'm going to focus on filling blocks of time with what Cal Newport calls deep work. So I have blocks of time walled off in my schedule now for writing, filming, editing, drawing, and other fun for me deep work activities and projects that let me get into a real flow state. And I do better work when I'm able to go deeper on that work. And that's what I'd recommend any creator try to do. Batch, work, go deep, and don't get distracted. So look forward to a slightly better Drawing Foundations video next week, at least better than what I've been producing, and I can't wait to get a fresh start on these new routines and my super deep work time. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, share it with your friends. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments what your favorite work habits are. I could use all the pointers I could get. And finally, until next time, be creative and productive.